All right, folks. Me and Nemo ate. We up. We done ate breakfast. We're supposed to be working on the car today. One of the cars, I keep getting a flat tire. We're gonna take the wheel off. If the weather worked with us, it started out looking pretty good, but now it's a little overcast. So I got him up here with this pressure washer and got his little protective gear on. So we got these bikes that been sitting under the deck for 6 years, brand new stuff. So we're trying to clean it up. We'll get it put in the shed. But anyway, I'm letting him operate the pressure washer. Keep going, get close to it like I told you. Alright. This is what young males need. They don't need no cell phone. They need to get out here, especially learn with their hands. Even if you got $1 million job, you still need to know how to work your hands. So these pressure washing, we got like, let's see, 3 more. We got 3 more to clean up, lubricate them, and I'm gonna stick them in the shed this time. Nemo's pressure washing.